Greetings! Today I have for you a quick design reveal for my Patreon. This is a new design that I developed right for the supporters on Patreon, my Patreon patrons. So, this month they challenged me to create a beaded bead, which is very popular, and I was really excited to do it because I love beaded beads so much. And this is what I came up with. I don't really know what to call it, apart from Space Pineapple, because that's what my brain is going for. So, there's a lot of things you can go with, and I go over quite a bit of deviations, not just from the practical applications of this, but also, like, substitute beads for if you don't have everything on the list. So be sure to check that out. There will be links in the description down below. This is the colorway that I did in that video, which I love. I always do the green and bronze, but I didn't have green and bronze in everything, so I mixed it up with a little orange, and it's really pretty. And I think one of these days, whenever I have time, I'm going to do the other one in the pair of earrings. These are rather large for earrings, but I felt like I needed it. It kind of reminded me of the big tassels that I see in a lot of Instagram beaded channels, so. And with this one, I had to showcase the etch spikes that I just got from Back to Bead. I love them so much, and I think they are fantabulous. So, yes, this is this month's design for Patreon. If you'd like to know how to do this, check out the link down below. To get access, you've got to support me on the Muser level, which is just $1 a month. I wanted these to be super cheap for you all, to make it nice and accessible for you all. So, yes, that'll be it from me. There is a cat snoring very loudly behind me. Anyway, so yes, check out all the pertinent links down below. Same usual business going on. I'm still doing sci-fi, I'm still doing jewelry things here. I haven't done it lately because there's just been a lot of other fun, fascinating things that have come my way. But I know I have a few more jewelry things that are upcoming as well, right here on the odins.musings channel, so stay tuned for that. And be sure to like up this video and subscribe if you want to see more bullshit from me. Check out my other jewelry shenanigans right here on YouTube. Check out my sci-fi blog. Check out my other bits and bobs all over YouTube and the internet realm. And thank you all so much for joining me. And of course, if there's anything I need to be trying out right now, feel free to let me know down below. I will see you next time.